Hello, we will present the result of our group. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fatih.
My name is Wandi Gunawan.
My name is Anandan Nurdafazain.
We will start the abstract. A heat exchanger is a device used to transfer heat without mass transfers. And then the equipment must be designed according to a stabilized standard. The standard that is widely used, the standard is TEMA or Tubular Exchanger Manufacturer Association. The result of the design, the heat exchanger with this standard are considered less efficient in terms of the materials. The efficiency of the material used can be analyzed, stress analysis on the component that is the tube set. Stress analysis on tube set can use finite element based software. The result of the research show that the tube its design refers to the TEMA standard is relative safe because the maximum von Mises stress is below the yield strength of the material used, while the over design value is greater significant because the average von Mises stress is also far below the yield strength of material used. And then background, the heat exchanger vital for heat transfer in industries employs conduction on conversion process. The widely used cell and tube heat exchanger known for its simplicity and versatility typically follow the TEMA standards. Content about its efficiently exists we dimension efficient stress. Average stress analysis costs material efficiency, while maximum stress analysis ensures safety. Forces acting on equipment lead to stress analysis, also finite element method or FAM. One, the tube is a crucial component of the head analysis of the heat exchanger following TEMA standard requires stress analysis. This investigation aims to understand stress distribution, ensure safety, and assess potential over design. Next.
Okay, next method. The research began with a literature review to determine the daily production capacity of the heat exchanger. This capacity guides the determination of overall dimension and subsequent specification are calculated following TEMA standard. Once specifications are obtained from table 1, the next step involves designing the heat exchanger's geometry using Autodesk Inventor software. For the example, you can see this image down here. The result of the geometry design of the heat exchanger using Autodesk Inventor software are shown in figure 1. The geometry is then imported into time scale platform for stress analysis to determine the stress distribution that occurs in the equipment. Can you see image down here? Von Mises stress on the simulation result shall compare it with the calculated stress using equation 1. These calculations are used to validate that the simulation result and accurate. The allowable deviation rate is 5%. As you can see from this formula, where sigma 1 hoop stress from MPa, sigma 3 longitudinal stress, sigma Vm von Mises stress. Equation 1 needs longitudinal and hoop stress values, where equation 2 calculate longitudinal stress, and equation 3 calculates hoop stress. Subsequently, accurate simulation results determine design safety and material efficiency by calculating the tube set over design value using equation 4. As you can see from this formula, where P internal pressure, D cell diameter, T cell thickness. Sam, you can see from this formula where delta allowable stress MPa, sigma average stress MPa.
Sim scale platform simulation illustrate von Mises stress distribution on cell figure 2 and tube sheet 1 figure 3 and 2 figure 4. This picture ya, validation compared von Mises stress on the cell figure 2 with equation 1, where calculate stress is 12.20 MPI and the simulation stress is 12 and 55 MPI, resulting in 2.8% deviation below the 4-6 limits. 5-6 limits, sorry, confirming the validation of the simulation result. Tube sheet 1 exhibits a maximum stress of 57.59 MPI, significant below the material's yield strength, ensuring the safety of the TEMA standard design. However, with an average stress of 3.143 MPI, tube sheet 1 demonstrates an overdesign of 3,165 indicating potential material wastage due to dimension exceeding design requirements. This picture, you can see this tube sheet display a maximum stress of 48.06 MPI, well below the naturally yield strength, ensuring the safety of the TEMA standard design. However, with an average stress of next.
Tube sheet reveals an over-design of the 2023 visions, suggestion potential material wastage due to dimension exceeding design requirements. Tube sheet specifications should consider both maximum and average stress value. Conclusion: the simulation results show the tube sheet design following the TEMA standard has very high safety. The maximum von Mises stress is very far below the yield stress value of the material used. Besides, there is material wastage of over-design because the stress on the tube stretch is very high. After all, it is below the yield strength of the material used.
Okay.
Okay, alright guys, that's all the material for today. We are so sorry if there's any mistake in our presentation. Last of all, we would like to say thank you for your attention in this presentation. Goodbye and see you.
You.